Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into this eye look here using the Becky G times Colourpop Salvaje palette. If you want to see how to get to this eye look well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. I have my brows and my base on. Let's go ahead and apply that first shade. First, we're going to go in with that color Sangria and a Noble White Rose soft crease brush. Looking down into my mirror, go directly in the center of the crease of the eyelid, in the crease above the crease, moving that color Sangria in swiper motions back and forth. This is such a soft brush. This is a new brush that Nabla came out for their holiday collection. They sent it to me. It is so nice. We're just going to blend, blend, blend back and forth in the crease, above the crease. Adding more of Sangria to the outer corner above the crease area. Moving in swiper motions back and forth. Now I'm going to go all the way across the eyelid in that crease above the crease area. I'm going to take some of that Sangria color, pat it on the outer corner. Don't worry about the outer corner because what we're going to do with this look is kind of clean it up with whatever you have to clean up your eyelid. Go ahead, add Sangria to the other eyelid, and then we'll get back into the next step. Keep blending until you feel that your blending is complete, and let's clean up the side. I'm just taking a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe, moving up into a sort of wing. To cut my crease, I am going to use the BH Cosmetics BH Studio Pro White Corrector Concealer. This is the Nabla White Rose Cut Crease Maker Brush. It's phenomenal. I'm going to look right into my mirror, place the concealer right in the center of the eyelid above the crease. Start to move down over the creases in my actual eyelid. Then I'm going to move down again from the center to over there. Add the rest of that concealer onto the mobile space of the lid, matching up with the cut of the crease. Now let's cut our crease on the other side and we'll get into the shimmer shade. Next, we're going to go in with that color Corona, and we'll use the Nabla White Cut Crease brush and our finger to apply Corona onto the mobile eyelid. So I like to take my handy dandy finger to get into my shimmer shade, put that all over the lid. Once my finger gets a little bit too big to go closer to the crease, I start to take my brush, meet it up to where we've cut the crease as best as possible. Don't worry about bringing it over too far, even though we've kind of patted out that white area over there. We're going to bring that red over, creating like this closure here. Go ahead and add Corona on the other side, and we'll get into the next step. Now that we have our shimmer shade on both sides, and I actually already applied the next step on the left eye, just don't look at that. Go in with that color Sangria and a Nabla White Rose soft crease brush, directly patting the eyeshadow onto the brush. Press it in that outer corner. From the outer corner, pressing it, I'm going to bring it onto the eyelid a little. Press directly, you can press on the side, but make it smaller as you go toward the gold shadow. Go ahead, do that to both sides. Pop on our lashes, face makeup, lip. Let me just go ahead and show you real quick what kind of lashes I am going to use. These here are the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash, and that's kind of how they will look. You don't have to put lashes on for this look. Actually, I've done this look before, and I just did mascara, and I actually really liked it, but it is kind of intense if you are gonna do that. We'll see each other in a miracle moment. And voila, here we have everything done but this under eye. If you're wondering what lip I'm wearing, this combination of the Thrive Gizon lip liner and the Nabla Lethal Lude lip gloss. For the lower lash line, we'll go into Caramello with the Nabla White Rose Precision Shader Brush. Take that all over the lower lash line. For the inner corner, we'll go into Estrella with the Nabla White Rose Small Pencil Brush. Crossing it up and crossing it over. I'm adding it in the inner corner of the lower lash line as well. Use the Cargo Cosmetics 3 Triple Action Mascara. And to finish off with mascara. I totally forgot to put brow gel in my brows. And that there completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on this look using the new Becky G palette. And if you did, make sure to like this video, comment down below Salvaje if you made it this far, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. Oh, also, the setting is changing. I used natural light before, and with the seasons changing and the light and the time changing, it just doesn't work out. I've recorded like 7 tutorials. So that's that, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.